Hello, and welcome back to the SRD Success Podcast. I'm your host, Domi, and today we're stepping into the fascinating world of visualization, a powerful tool that can literally reshape your reality. We're going to explore how you can harness the incredible potential of your mind to create the life you've always dreamed of. But before we dive into this transformative topic, I want to make sure you're geared up for an amazing week of growth. Our 5-day goal-setting challenge kicks off this Monday, March 24th, exclusively on our Facebook page. Think of it as a mini boot camp for your ambitions. We'll be breaking down practical strategies and offering daily prompts to help you craft goals that truly ignite your passion. You know, those goals that have been whispering to you from the back of your mind. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, use the link in the episode description to follow our page and join us. I dare you to invest in yourself. You won't regret it. Now, let's talk about visualization. It's more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate, focused process of imagining your desired outcomes as vividly as possible. It's about painting a picture of your success with all your senses. You might be thinking, visualization? Sounds a bit woo-woo to me. But trust me, this isn't some abstract concept. It's a technique used by athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists to achieve extraordinary results. Think about this. You've always had this burning desire to become a doctor, but life took you down a different path. Now, in your 40s, the thought of 10 years of medical school feels daunting. Does that mean your dream is dead? Absolutely not. Visualization can help you reshape that dream, making it attainable and fulfilling. First, let's talk about reframing your ambition. Instead of clinging to the exact image of becoming a doctor, consider what truly resonates with you about that goal. Is it the desire to heal? To make a difference in people's lives? If so, perhaps becoming a registered nurse aligns perfectly with those core values. You could visualize yourself working in a dynamic hospital environment, collaborating with physicians, and directly impacting patient care. This isn't settling. It's smart adaptation. Next, open yourself up to the possibilities. Visualization requires a mindset that embraces all potential paths to your goal. What do you truly crave to do with your life? What steps are necessary to get there? Allow yourself to acknowledge your deepest desires without judgment. This openness is crucial for creating a powerful mental image. Then, take those desires and break them down into tangible steps. Write down your goals, each one representing a milestone on your journey. This isn't just a list, it's a roadmap. Detail the tasks you'll accomplish to reach your desired outcome. For example, if you're pursuing nursing, your list might include researching programs, enrolling in classes, studying for exams, and completing clinical rotations. Now, let's bring those steps to life. Construct a vivid mental picture of your success. Imagine yourself receiving your nursing degree. Where are you? What are you wearing? Who's celebrating with you? How does it feel to hold that diploma in your hands? Engage all your senses, the sounds, the smells, the emotions. To make your visualization even more potent, surround yourself with tangible representations of your dream. Create a vision corner in your home. For our nursing example, you might display a stethoscope, a nursing textbook, and a college pennant. These objects serve as daily reminders of your goal, grounding your visualization in reality. Consistency is key. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day to practice your visualization. Find a quiet space, relax your body, and immerse yourself in your mental image. The more you repeat this process, the more deeply ingrained your goal becomes, fueling your motivation. Finally, connect your visualization to action. Every morning, ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to my dream? Reflect on how your daily actions align with your long-term vision. This connection between visualization and action is where the magic happens. So, we've talked about the power of visualization, how to paint those vivid mental pictures. Now let's take it a step further and actually create a vision board together, right here, right now, in the space of your mind. We're going to build a powerful representation of your ideal future, using only words and your imagination. If you're in a place where you're able to write things down, you can follow my prompts and create a physical vision board for yourself as well. Either way, don't feel rushed during this process. If you need a minute to consider a certain prompt, pause the podcast and think it through, then continue on to the next one. First, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you're able to, and take a few deep breaths. Let's start by setting the stage. Imagine a blank canvas in front of you. This canvas represents your future, and you have complete creative control. Let's begin with the heart of your vision. What are your core desires? Not just material things, but the feelings and experiences you crave. Think about, how do you want to feel every day? Peaceful, energized, creative, loved? What kind of lifestyle do you want to lead? Adventurous, serene, surrounded by family, professionally impactful. What values are most important to you? Integrity, freedom, connection, growth? As you identify these feelings, lifestyle elements, and values, imagine them as glowing words or symbols appearing on your mental canvas. See them clearly, feel their energy. Now, let's divide our canvas into sections, representing key areas of your life. Imagine these sections as frames or boxes. We'll fill them with our visions. As you describe each scene, notice the colors, sounds, and emotions. Let these details bring your vision to life. Again, don't hesitate to pause the podcast between each section so you can really think out the details. First, career and purpose. Imagine a scene where you're thriving in your work. What are you doing? Who are you with? What does success look and feel like? Describe it to yourself in detail. Second, relationships. Picture your ideal relationships. What qualities do they have? How do you interact with loved ones? What does connection feel like? Third, health and well-being. Imagine your body at its best. How do you feel physically? What activities are you doing? What does your daily routine look like? Fourth, personal growth and learning. What skills are you developing? What knowledge are you gaining? How are you expanding your mind? Fifth, experiences and adventures. Where are you traveling? What are you experiencing? What brings you joy and excitement? To make your vision more concrete, let's add some tangible representations. First, imagine objects that symbolize your goals. A passport for travel, a diploma for education, a microphone for public speaking. If you're creating a physical vision board, you can draw these images or find them online, then print them out and glue them to your board. Next, picture powerful words or phrases that inspire you. Imagine them written in a beautiful font, glowing with energy. Now, picture what colors represent your desired feelings and experiences. Imagine splashes of those colors across your canvas. Finally, think about what sounds accompany your vision. The sound of laughter, the ocean waves, the applause of an audience. Feel the textures, hear the sounds, and see the vivid colors of each element in your mind's eye. Now, step back and view your entire vision board. See how all the elements connect and support each other. Notice the overall feeling it evokes. This is your future, crafted by you. To keep your vision alive, we're going to create a daily practice. Imagine yourself returning to this mental vision board every morning. Spend a few minutes revisiting each section, feeling the emotions, and reinforcing your intentions. Finally, take a deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. This vision board exists within you, ready to guide you toward your extraordinary future. You have the power to create the life you desire. Remember, visualization isn't about wishful thinking. It's about creating a clear mental blueprint for your success. And when you combine that with deliberate, consistent action, you become unstoppable. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow our Facebook page so you can join in on our 5-day goal-setting challenge starting on Monday. Have a great day.